Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to embed MP3 files on a website with Google Drive. If you have ever wanted to share audio content on your website, you know how important it is to have a smooth and seamless process for embedding files. Whether it's a podcast, music track, or an important audio message, embedding MP3 files can enhance the overall experience for your site visitors. Today, we're going to explore a straightforward method using Google Drive, making it easy and efficient to get your audio content online. Let's jump into it. First, you'll want to open Google Drive on your web browser. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This search feature is quite powerful and can help you quickly locate the MP3 file that you wish to embed. By simply typing the file's name or a keyword, you can streamline the process and ensure that you're ready for the next steps without any delay. After you've found your desired MP3 file, right-click on it. A context menu will appear, and from there, select the Share option. This step is crucial because we need to adjust the file's sharing settings to ensure it's accessible to everyone who visits your site. In the Sharing Settings window, you'll see an option labeled Restricted. This option means the file is only available to specific users you choose. We need to change this setting, so click on it and select Anyone with the link. This adjustment is essential as it allows your website visitors seamless access to the audio file without any permission issues. After updating these preferences, click on Done. Your MP3 file is now ready for embedding. The next step involves opening the MP3 file. You can do this by double-clicking on it. Once the file is open, look for the three-dot menu, which is typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Click on these three dots, then select Open in a new window. This might seem like a minor detail, but it's a necessary action to retrieve the embed code we need. Once the file opens in the new window, click on the three dots again. This time, choose the Embed Item option. Doing this will provide you with the HTML embed code required for your website. Copy this code carefully, as it's what you'll use to integrate the MP3 file into your web page. Now that you have the embed code, it's time to head over to your preferred website platform. For this demonstration, let's use Wix. However, the process is quite similar across various website builders, so don't worry if you're using a different one. In your website editor, look for the plus icon, usually found on the left side of the screen. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your web page. Since we're focusing on embedding an MP3 file, you'll want to select Embed Code. This option allows you to incorporate custom HTML into your site. Next, click on Embed HTML. You'll see a space provided for you to paste the HTML code that you copied from Google Drive. Make sure to paste it correctly so that the audio file appears properly and functions as expected on your site. Finally, click Update to save your changes. This action confirms that your MP3 file is fully integrated into your web page, ready for visitors to click and enjoy. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to embed an MP3 file into your website using Google Drive. By following these steps, you can personalize your website with engaging audio content that enhances the user experience. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to embed MP3 files on a website with Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.